Big difference between a trader and investor really is the time frame, the activity, and the risk. So to start with the time frame, a trader is looking to buy and sell something within a day, within an hour, anything shorter than a year is considered a trade. If you buy and sell something within a year, it's considered a trade. That's short term trading. And an investor is looking beyond a year, beyond a decade. Sometime an investor wants to hold an investment forever until they're gone off this earth, because they're looking for that long-term growth. They're looking for a long-term relationship in whichever asset it is, because the longer you have an asset working for you, the more you can get out of that asset, the more money you can end up compounding and growing from this asset. And basically, when it comes to activity, the trader is looking for big activity, big market swings, a crash, or just any volatility, really. A trader is looking for a market that's moving up and down, that's very volatile, so they can make some moves. When the investor really doesn't care for the activity, because an investor, it's always going to be buying low, buying high, buying if it's in the middle. And an investor is consistently always investing for the long term. Don't matter if the stock is going down, or don't matter if the stock is going up. And it's the same thing for other investments such as real estate and crypto. If the stock is going down, if it's going up, don't matter no matter where that investment is going, you're buying in. And that's the big difference between an investor and a trader. The last big difference a trader and investor has is their risk management. And what I mean by risk management is how much they're risking. The trader, you're buying and you're selling an investment so many times throughout the week or throughout the month, compared to an investor. A trader sometimes can do 3-4 trades a day, or sometimes 3 or 4 trades an hour, versus an investor. They're going to be buying in and holding. Doesn't matter if the price is going down and you're losing money, you're still buying in and holding for the future, because as an investor, you are holding, not selling. As a trader, you're buying something and you have the intentions to sell it within a year or a short time frame. Which one is better? And this answer is going to be a little biased, because it's going to be more of my opinion. And I feel like investing is better. Why? Because you have less of an headache. You don't have to worry about all these transactions and the activity and the time frame. I've traded before. I've bought and sold stocks, and I tried trading. And yes, you make money, but at the same time, I feel like it's a system that's made for you to lose money. It's like a casino. The casino was legal, but their job is to take your money. And I feel like when you trade, yes, it's possible for you to make a lot of money, but it's more possible for you to also lose a lot of money. So I would rather invest than trade. Why? I've got burnt playing with the stock market, and it's just not my cup of tea. So how do I know which one am I? Which one am I? So a trader, this is how you know if you're a trader. A trader likes buying and selling stocks within a short time frame. Another question you ask yourself is, do I like to buy because of price movement, which is activity in the market? Do I like to buy because the market is going to jump up, or the market is going to jump down, or I believe the market is going to do big movement? Do I like to buy something because of hype? From past experience, I do not like being in the market with high volatility, especially if you're over risking what you can manage to lose. And another question you can ask yourself to see if you have a trader mindset is, do I have any interest in this company that I'm buying besides the stock price? That means, do I have any interest in the stock that I'm buying for a long term wise, Or am I just interested in the stock price? Am I interested in the company and what the company has going on? That's why I'm buying into the stock. Or I'm just interested in the stock price because my friend or my cousin or whoever said it'll jump up within this time frame, or it'll jump down within this time frame. So you have to really look at how you move within the market. Investor, you ask yourself these questions to see, are you an investor? And the questions you ask yourself is basically, am I looking for long-term growth? Are you looking to hold something for more than 1 year? If you are looking to hold an investment for more than 2 to 3 years, more than 1 year, then you are considered an investor and you prefer to invest your money than to trade it. Another question you could ask yourself to see if you're an investor is basically, am I uncomfortable with coming in and out of the market? Am I uncomfortable with getting in and out of the market within a day or two or less than a year, which is short-term time frame? Am I comfortable with that? From past experience, you guys, I am not comfortable with getting in and out of the market within a day or within a week or even within a month. I'm uncomfortable with that. Why? Because I've seen so much market volatility that I rather just buy low and just keep doing that, because I know the market is only going up. So with me having an investor mindset, I believe the market is only going to go up. Yes, sometimes it go down, but that's what it does for a discount. As an investor, I think of a market going down as it being the stock at a discount. And that's how you're supposed to think as an investor. Why? Because when the price drops, you want to buy in more. But I'm not a stock market guru, so don't just blindly listen to a random guy on YouTube. So go ahead and do your due diligence and learn about what you're investing in before you invest in it. And really, guys, that'll wrap it up for this video. Comment down below, who are you? Are you a trader or are you an investor? I'm an investor. I've traded before and it burned me. It did not leave a good scar on my skin. But I learned a lot while trading, and I learned that I would rather invest, because if you know, you know. But all right, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Let's go.